a fast master, that.
Oh.
That's called throwing the quoits, actually, isn't it? Are you an expert at quoits?
As long as you keep the bread spoons like that, you know. Quite easy.
Okay.
That's fantastic. I've never seen anybody be able to do that with bread.
Oh. They're not coming.
That's what she's throwing it
Okay.
over there. They don't
Slippery.
use it. Are you videoing?
Yes. Oh. They're fighting for that. Oh.
I just went to the shop there to get it.
Sorry?
I just went to the shop there to buy it.
Oh, did you? Do you know? Do they not give you stale bread?
They're all like so much feeding so there. We get them, we feed them every day, so every day.
Oh, right.
There's a shop up in Smithy Croft Road,
Right.
next to the bank.
Yeah.
That boy thinks Disney used his bread, he feeds the ducks and others will lock it.
Or Seen, can you just hold it while
I
you
want
go?
to feed.
She wants to join in. We're going to let her throw some.
Hold it like that. Arm your hand.
She's no good. Bad shot. Oh, I'll get it in the end.
Palm your hand like that. Keep the palm of your hand like that. They'll get it. Try that one.
Do you not? Can you not do a deal with the bakery? Do they not give you stuff?
I don't know what.
You know the bakery down there?
What they do is they send it to, I think they put it in the pint plate.